Hello, my name's Trisha and I'm from England. I started studying Hebrew nearly 2 years ago, and at the beginning I couldn't even say shalom. I started very tentatively with my first Ulpan lesson, but it was absolutely fantastic. The materials on the computer are just great and they're really interactive, and all the pupils were really engaging, and it was a really exciting start. Rosen School of Hebrew is really caring for their students. So not only are the classes great, but customer service is something I've never experienced before. If you want to contact them or phone, by email, they always answer you straight away, and they're always polite and courteous and do their best to actually help you. I've absolutely loved the course that I'm doing, but also there's the open classes to go to where you can interact with the students. There's seminars to attend, so I really can't recommend it enough. Give it a go.